Hello, this is Big A with ETF Trend Trading for the weekly overview of last week, the 8th through the 12th. Today is Monday the 15th, and supposed to do this over the weekend, but I didn't really feel like it because I like to spend time with my family. Plus, this is free, so what are you losing? Absolutely nothing. So I'm here to teach you a little bit about the ETF market. We're looking at the IBB, and last week we did cash out of this trade. I'm going to show you some losing trades too, because would you rather have me, lie to you and say it's always going to be ice cream and roses, or that you're going to have reality and there's going to be winners and losers? Not big losses. We risk 1% a trade, so we got stopped out a little bit. On this trade on the 9th, we did hit our target at 61.42. And excuse me, the target was 60, the entry was 61.42. So we got in at 61.42 and we were out at 67.56. So depending on how many shares you got, you actually would have made a lot of money, but the percentage range was gain was 1.41%. My members get these trades the night before on the advanced blog, so they have all the exact numbers. And what's interesting though is that this high was 67.62, so we literally reached our target within less than 10 cents. So it's a good little gain. But in the reverse side, the flip side, is that we had a GLD trade, which is based off of gold, and this little line was our target, and we got within very, very close, and we got stopped out. We did not hit our target right here. Price came all the way back, and 4 days later we got stopped out once here, and we got stopped out once here, and each one was for a 1% loss, which is a total of a 2% loss. Okay, now for a dose of reality, because I know on the internet you get a lot of hype, and the reality is that you are going to have losing trades, and statistically at some point you'll have 10 losing trades in a row, and if you risk 5% per trade times 10, that would be a 50% drawdown, which would mean you need to make 100% to make it back. The reason I sleep good each night and the reason I don't worry is because we lose 1, 2, 3%. It's no big deal. One of our good trends makes us 5, 6, 7, 8%. When you look at, actually I can just show you on this trend here. When you look back in time on this trend, it's a pretty extreme downtrend, and this is back on the 15th 08. I remember catching a few of these moves. We have different exit strategies. I actually teach only 2 entry strategies, but 5 exit strategies. Those with 1 exit strategies are not good systems, not smart systems at all. And there was times in these trends, I remember in particular this one in July, and then also during this down move at the start of October. For October we did over 25%, November over 9%, July, August, September were all really good months. And when there's a trending month, we do very well. But when the market is sideways and consolidating, like you can see here on the SPY, see that just real sideways? We don't do as well, but we don't lose much. That's the thing. There's really only 2 types of systems. There's trending systems, and then there's kind of a consolidation type systems. And of course you can have combinations between day trading, swing trading, position trading, but this system will preserve your profits during these consolidation periods, even make you a little, maybe a few percent in a month, but you won't lose your shirt. That's what's important. And then during the trends, we absolutely clean up, and that's because we take multiple positions and we do a modified reverse pyramiding money management, and we do special risk position sizing where our stops are based off of a percentage and also a technical stop combined. So those of you that are trading, you probably know what I'm talking about, and those of you that don't have experience, well, that's what the whole course teaches. So the reality is that you are going to have winning trades and losing trades. I can show you different day trades like I did for the month of November if you go through my free videos. And some are winning, some are losing, and we did have some good day trades, some nice winning day trades on this 60-minute chart for this last week. That's the 9th. This little area is the 10th. This is the 11th. This is the 12th. Today's the 15th. Of course, nothing over here because that's we're shooting it. And we had a good catch on the down move for the day trade type system in there, and then we had reversal, but reversal did not get triggered until the next day, and then we are out in there. And those of you that are my members, you're going to see the green line exit strategy in here. Blow that up. I like that my members watch the free videos too. But also you'll see a PD reversal trade back in this date here. But it did not get triggered until a little bit later. But we were actually able to get out before that from our green line exit. So it was a good little gain. And the bottom line is I could show you these examples all day long on the small select list of ETFs that we trade. But I don't want to impress you in that way, but with day trading. I want to impress upon you that this system is meant for the daily chart of only 5 to 10 minutes of night per week. And I teach you to fish and I give you a fish. I do both. I'm going to teach you to trade, so you don't need my advanced blog if you don't want it. But I'm also going to give you the advanced blog where I give you all my trades a day ahead of time. Most gurus don't do that, and they're not worth their salt. If they can't trade live, or they can't trade a day ahead of time with specific stops, entries, position sizing, when to add on, then don't waste your time. Exactly what we do. Everything is too specific down to the penny. So that's everything. If you want more information, you can always visit my site, ETFtrendtrading.com, and sign up for the free articles, because in those I reveal a lot of good information on investing and trading in general. Even if you never buy the course, which is fine, I don't care either way, you will definitely like the free articles, and they will save you some heartache and headache if you do choose to trade someone else's method. Have a great day. Have a good week.